Tinkerbell's Magical Adventure. Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Pixie Hollow, there lived a tiny and mischievous fairy named Tinkerbell. She was small, no bigger than a human's thumb, with bright green wings that sparkled like emeralds. Tink, as her friends fondly called her, was a talented tinker fairy who loved inventing and fixing things. One sunny morning, as Tinkerbell was tinkering away in her cozy workshop, she overheard the Queen Fairy, Queen Clarion, talking about an ancient artifact called the Enchanted Crystal. Legend had it that the crystal possessed incredible powers to restore the balance of nature and bring harmony to Pixie Hollow. However, it had been lost for many centuries. Tink's curiosity was piqued, and she couldn't resist the thought of finding the enchanted crystal. Determined to make a difference and prove her worth, she decided to embark on a daring adventure, despite the doubts of some of her friends. She set out on her journey, accompanied by her best friend, Silvermist, a water fairy who always supported Tink in her wildest dreams. Tink and Silvermist ventured through the dense forests, crossed glistening streams, and explored the depths of mysterious caves in search of clues to the enchanted crystal's whereabouts. Along the way, they faced numerous challenges. They encountered mischievous woodland creatures, avoided traps set by grumpy trolls, and even got lost in the bewildering Whispering Woods. But through each obstacle, Tink's ingenuity and Silvermist's calming presence kept them going. After many days of relentless exploration, the two friends stumbled upon an ancient book hidden deep within the library of the wise owl, Owlette. The book contained a riddle that could lead them to the enchanted crystal. Excitedly, they deciphered the riddle and found out that the crystal lay at the heart of the enchanted forest, guarded by the ancient guardian of nature. Undeterred, Tink and Silvermist set off for the enchanted forest. The closer they got, the more they noticed the land losing its magical glow. The guardian of nature, a magnificent tree spirit, explained that the enchanted crystal was the source of Pixie Hollow's magic, and without it, the land was withering away. But the guardian also revealed that the enchanted crystal could only be restored with pure intentions and the selfless act of true friendship. Tink and Silvermist understood that their quest wasn't just about finding the crystal, it was about the bond they shared and their belief in the magic of friendship. Together, they faced the final challenge, the Guardian's Test. They had to navigate through a maze filled with illusions and distractions, testing their friendship's strength. As they neared the heart of the maze, they came across the enchanted crystal, glowing dimly in the fading light. In a moment of realization, Tinkerbell and Silvermist clasped hands and declared their unbreakable friendship. Their genuine love and care for each other restored the crystal's magic, causing it to glow brighter than ever before. The enchanted forest came alive with colors and light, and Pixie Hollow was filled with joy and laughter. Word of their heroic deeds reached the ears of Queen Clarion, who praised the duo for their bravery and friendship. From that day on, Tinkerbell's tinker skills and Silvermist's water magic became renowned throughout Pixie Hollow, and they were cherished by fairies of all talents. From that day on, whenever children in the human world would wish upon a star, they knew that Tinkerbell and Silver Mist friendship would light up the skies, filling their hearts with hope and magic. And so, the adventures of Tinkerbell continue to inspire generations of children to believe in themselves and the magic of true friendship.